In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to add a note, a call-out, or some polished labeling that isn't tied to a single cell, a text box is the way to go. We'll use the built-in drawing tool in Google Sheets, which lets you create a flexible box that sits on top of your grid, so it won't affect your cell contents or formulas. Start by opening your spreadsheet so you can see the sheet where you want the box to appear. Once you're there, head to the menu bar at the top and click Insert. From that menu, choose Drawing. This opens the drawing editor in a separate window, where you'll build the text box before placing it onto your sheet. Inside the drawing editor, select the text box tool. It looks like a T inside a square. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the box to your desired size. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always resize by dragging the blue handles on the edges and corners. As you draw, think about how much text you plan to include, and leave a bit of breathing room so the content doesn't feel cramped. Now, click inside the box and start typing your text. Use the toolbar across the top to format it clearly. Pick a readable font, adjust the size, and apply bold or italics for emphasis where needed. You can also set the text alignment and line spacing to improve readability. If you want the text box to stand out, add a light fill color and a contrasting border. The border weight and color controls are right there in the toolbar, so you can create a subtle outline or a more prominent callout depending on your design. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Save and Close. Your text box will drop onto the sheet as a movable object. Drag it to the exact spot you want, and use the corner handles to resize it if needed. Because it floats above the cells, it won't shift your data, but it can cover cells underneath, so position it thoughtfully. If you need to make changes later, just double-click the text box to reopen the drawing editor and update the text or formatting. That's all there is to it. By using Insert, then drawing your box, typing your message, and saving, you get a clean, professional text box that enhances your spreadsheet without disrupting your data. Try it out on a dashboard, instruction section, or any place you want clear, polished notes.